The free ITS synthesizer plugin of BeatsAssist.eu is dedicated to create rhythmic tracks. So if you're into rave, techno or psytrance, stay tuned and hear what it's all about. First, let me ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you subscribe, we will keep you updated on all the great free software and tools we review every week. The ITS synthesizer is created by BeatsAssist.eu and its first version came out at the end of 2019. Actually the same week we made this video. The plugin is only available for Windows, but it has a 32-bit VST2 and a 64-bit VST2 and VST3 version. All these versions come in one free downloadable zip file you can download from their website. And if you really like and use this synth, don't forget to make a donation to the creator. You can do that at the top of the Beats Assist website. So now let's install this new plugin. When you open the zip file, you see 4 folders. The first folder is the Documents folder, where you have some important information in the install.txt file to find out to what destination you have to copy the instruments folders. The next folder is the plugin itself. You have to choose which version you are going to use. We choose the VST3 version for 64-bit, and as the install.txt file suggested, we have to copy the BeatsAssist.eu folder to c/program/file/common-files/vst3. That's the standard location for VST3 plugins, so do check out the install.txt file. The third folder holds the sound banks or presets. These need to be copied to another location. We had to copy the VST3 folder to the Users Documents folder, c/users/documents. There are 2 folders you can copy with each 63 sounds. The fourth folder on the zip file is an extra that you might or might not need. That depends if the plugin is not working. This is because this plugin is created in special software called SynthEdit. And SynthEdit plugins only run when Microsoft Visual C++ is installed, so you might need to install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. SynthEdit suggests to install the 2015 version if needed. Now you are good to go and you can start your DAW and direct the ITS to your workspace. ITS is designed to create rhythmic synthesizer sounds. As they say on the website, by pressing one key you can create some cool rhythmic sounds that will push your production to something different. ITS has 2 oscillators with 5 basic waveforms that work in 3 modes of synthesis. You can have 1 or 2 oscillators beside each other, or you can have one modulate the other. But you can also load a wave file and the VST will automatically generate a waveform regarding that file. You can even create your own waveform by drawing one on screen. There is a noise generator with 2 types of noise and a great filter with lots of options. The effects are impressive. You can use the LFO, octave stepper, gator and phaser to create your rhythms, and it has an EQ, reverb, stereo delay and chorus to create the final sound. The presets can be loaded at the bottom. There are 2 banks of 63 sounds available to get you started. For a free synth, this is really a fantastic machine. So now let's listen to some of the sounds. More information and the download links can be found on our website. The link to our website is below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep you updated with all the great free plugins.